So as you can see, the van electrics look absolutely shocking, and I'm going away this weekend and can't have it looking like that. So the plan today is to get another battery in, hooked up to the already existing one, and also to get my inverter hooked up, ready to go. So I have two USA 95 amp hour batteries. They're category A, whatever that means, which means they're longer draining. And we have a 1000 watt Renogy inverter. So essentially the plan is to move everything here over there. We've got the wheel arch box in. That's going to be sort of my thing to neaten things out on. Everything's going to get drilled into there. Yeah. Organising this and getting the wheel arch box in has made me realise how little room there actually is. Like when you're converting and you've got the entire van to play with, you just think there's so much more room than there is. And now I'm starting to put things in and actually bolt things down. I'm realising it's going to be quite tight.
So you see how long you've got these wires?
Yeah.
They need to be like really short so that there's no exposed stuff sticking out. Because when you're putting stuff in and you're touching it together and it sparks and blows up and it sets fire to your van, you're going to start crying, aren't you?
I'll be dead.
You will be. So stop filming and take this seriously. Everything's a shunt. Shunt to that. That's your wiring diagram. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Easy.
So battery 1, battery 2, positive buzz bar, negative buzz bar, shunt, fuse board, DC charger, solar charger, solar positive into buzz positive, DC positive into buzz positive, buzz positive to battery positive on battery 1, battery 1 connected to battery 2, DC charger negative into buzz negative, solar negative into solar negative, negative, one of them
You never know what it is, you just
one of
drop
them
it.
needs, no, I don't, one of them needs to go to chassis, to be a chassis ground.
How's the van looking, Jordan?
It's looking better than you did it.
Oh. Okay. So we are all set for our little trip to Wales this weekend in the van. Everything's working. We've set everything up on Bluetooth. Everything's working, and that's the best I can say for now. Looks a little bit messy still. I've got a few things to do before I even drive this thing to Wales, but we have solar, we have charger, we have DC charger, we have an inverter, we have smart shunt, all connected today. Oh my god, it's so fun, so fun. But I'll give you a little tour around now, just to show you what it looks like. We've got the inverter down here so that I can plug stuff up in when I'm in my bed. And over here, unfortunately the diesel heater is very close to the electrics, which could be bad. But we've got the DC charger here, we've got the shunt down here, got the fuse box and the solar setup out there. And then this little thing lifts up. And we've got the batteries in there that are now both hooked up together. And we've got a very bored Jordan stood outside. Can you see me? But I'm going to call it a day. It's been a long day. And then do some work and then go to Wales for the first proper adventure in this thing.